Hi guys, my name is Achyut and I'm currently doing my advanced diploma in visual communications at Raffles, Mumbai. And I'm one of those, what do you say, typical NRI boy from Dubai. I love cricket and design too. Yeah, I guess that's it. Well, hobbies. I like dance, I like music, I like reading, but not storybooks. I like reading about research papers, documentaries, stuff like that. And I like traveling, and I do like photographies as well. Well, that's about it. About my strengths, I am punctual. I think I have leadership qualities because I was elected once, and I have good time management. Though I take some extra time to sleep, but other than that, yeah. It makes me unique that you always get me as what I am. Yeah, I don't have a double-faced thing, or at least, but yeah, I think that's what makes me unique. Why are you sleeping?
So boring.